Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work. This is Audi A4 Quattro. It's a 2017. So this procedure is going to work on Audi from 2017 all the way to 2021. We're going to do engine mount replacement, and this procedure should apply to other Audis. So let's start it up. So when you drive around, you can feel the engine kind of like shaking. So to begin, I've removed this lower engine cover, which is a skid plate. Once that is done, our engine mounts right over there and then right over here. So what you do, you disconnect these connectors going right over there, and then you remove a kind of like a level thing. It touches there and then comes over here. The same thing to this side, you remove right here. It looks like this. You just take the 10 millimeters away. Once that is done, so you take the connector. So this is the stuff I was talking about. So when you remove that, you remove this air duct going to the turbo. So you just use a flat Phillips, and then it just comes out like that. And then once it's out, you can put it on the side. So you hold the engine from the top using something like this, and the bracket where you hold is right over there. Once that is done, you can lift it up a little bit, and then this thing is going to come out. So when you remove one right here, and then two right here, and then this two, and lift the engine a little bit, and then disconnect this thing is going to come out. Same to this side, you remove this duct, you remove this ground wire, which is supposed to be here, and then you remove this connector. And then to help me out make this loose, I cut this two, and you cut this two too. This thing is going to come out when I open this right here, and this right here, and that right over there. And then I'll show you guys when this thing comes out. So I'm going to remove this one, right here. I'll give you guys the tools on the description. And then this guy is going to come out. So I'll lift up a little bit on the top, and then this thing should come without a problem. This comes like that. So this one comes out, and then you disconnect this right here. Comes like that. Put it on the side. Open this too. This thing comes out. So you get your 13 millimeter. Get out like that. All right. So you felt it, the engine went down a little bit, so you just take out this 13 millimeters out of the way. Alright, get this one completely. So you guys can feel the engine just went down because this mount is out. So you just take this one like this, you put it in a safe place. So when you come right here, you can see this thing is just lying on top right here, and that engine mount is out. Come on the other side. Take this out completely, and we do the same on the other side. the engine came down a little bit, so we have to go upstairs and lift it. So this mount is out, so what we do, we just lift what's up there and then make sure the engine goes up, and then this thing comes out without a problem. So this one comes like this, put it in a safe place. Alright, I'll go up and then I'll lift the engine. Now I'll show you guys how this thing will come from right over here. Another thing, I'll suggest you remove this top cover so that when you're accessing this one on top, it doesn't give you a problem. Because when the cover is there, it comes to somewhere like here, it's going to block you a little bit. So when you come on top, you can raise your engine. You can use this thing to raise it out. And when you come below, so this is how a mount look like. So if you hold like this, it says loose, so you can just take it from this spot, so like this. So play around like that. You just fly around with it, and then this thing is going to come out without a problem. Alright, you just get it. So guys, you see how it's leaking? Our mount is leaking, so alright, there we go. Alright, finally our engine mount is out, and this is how it's been leaking. So I want you guys to see how it looks like, and it's, I don't know, it's $10 or whatever it is. So this is how the engine mount looks from outside. Right, that's the spot, and then we come to this other side. So when you compare them, this is the old one, you see it's already leaky, and the new one looks like this. It looks nice, and yeah, it looks really nice, and information right over there. Let me remove the other one. So you come to this other side too. You just take this like this. Alright. 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 So you turn like that. You just play around with it like that. And be careful it doesn't mess over here. Alright, so you just push it like that. It comes from right over here. So something important I have to point out. You'll have a little bit struggle over here because of this hose right here, which goes all the way. This air hose. So this hose, you cannot take it out, but you just you fight with it, and then this thing will come out like that without a problemos. There you go. Should be easy like that. Should be good to go. Alright, so when this thing is out, you replace them just like that. So this is our old engine mount, so this looks like this. And there's the new ones, so I'm going to put them in. So putting them, guys, is just in reverse, and I'll try as much as possible to show you what I'm going to do, and then you'll be good to go. So once this thing is here, I'll put it in right there, and then something quick to point out. Aligning this should be the last one, the same as this side. Aligning that one should be the last one, so you just align this one, and then these two, then this one's the last one. And then I ended up using a stand because it wasn't like going all the way, because putting is a little bit hard, but it should be good too. So when you tighten all the bolts like this, put all the way in, this engine mount should be good to go. Alright guys, once that is done, you can take it for a test drive, and then it should be able, guys, to feel how this car is driving. And then I hope this resolves your problem. Please, if it does, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you guys in the next video.